In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to ChatGPT Plus. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what you'll see on screen, and how to finish your subscription with confidence. Start by opening ChatGPT and looking toward the bottom left corner of the window. That's where your profile icon lives. It may show your initial or a small avatar image. Click that profile icon to open a quick menu, then choose Settings. This takes you into the place where all your account preferences are organized. Inside Settings, select the Account section. This is where you'll find an Upgrade button. It's designed to be easy to spot, so take a second to locate it and then click it. As soon as you do, you'll be shown the available subscription plans. You should see options like Plus, Go, and Pro. For this walkthrough, we're focusing on the Plus plan. Go ahead and choose Plus to continue. Next, you'll be prompted to set up your payment method. On this screen, you'll enter your billing details to complete the subscription. Take your time here and make sure your card number, expiration date, and billing address are accurate and match what your bank has on file. Small typos can cause payments to fail, so double check before you proceed. If a separate field asks for your name and address, keep them consistent with your payment details. Never share sensitive information publicly, and only enter it into the secure checkout form you see in the app. Once everything looks correct, proceed to fill out your payment details and click Subscribe. The system will process your payment, and within a moment, you should see confirmation that your subscription is active. After that, your account will reflect the Plus plan, and you can start enjoying the benefits that come with it. If something doesn't appear as expected, remember the key path. Profile icon, then Settings, then Account, then Upgrade. The upgrade flow is always launched from the account area, and the plan selection screen is where you'll pick Plus before entering payment details. Keeping that sequence in mind makes it easy to repeat later if you ever review your plan. That's all there is to it. You went to the bottom left of the interface, clicked your profile icon, opened Settings, chose Account, clicked the Upgrade button, selected the Plus plan from the available options, entered your payment information, and hit Subscribe. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your ChatGPT Plus experience.